Hello, my name is Mary Lee McGuire, and I am employed at Vogelway Elementary School in Kaiserslautern, Germany. We serve students ages K through 5, and today I will be conducting a SWOT presentation all about creating a teacher induction website at Vogelway Elementary School. And if you aren't familiar what SWOT is, later on in the presentation I will define what it is. Okay, creating a teacher induction website for VES in 2021-2022. Beginning in the fall of 2021, a committee at Vogelway Elementary School will serve to create a teacher induction website to provide valuable and necessary information for incoming staff, existing staff, substitute teachers, aides, and paraprofessionals who work at the school. What will the website provide? Teachers who access the website will be able to easily locate the school schedule, grade level protocols, safety procedures, valuable websites, and contact information staff members need throughout the year, as well as information regarding the Kaiserslautern military installation. SWOT analysis to create the website. Prior to the fall and before the committee begins creating the website, we will conduct a SWOT analysis of the current dissemination of information at our school to justify the need for the teacher induction database. We will also see the pros and cons of creating the website. What is SWOT, I hear you asking? Well, SWOT is simply an acronym, and it's going to help us to really justify why we're making the website. So S in SWOT is our current strengths that we have at the school already in terms of disseminating information to all staff members and staff members being able to access valuable information, protocols, procedures that they need to navigate not only the school but also on the military installation. And W is weaknesses. What are our current weaknesses? Why do we see a need for the website? Clearly there's a lack of communication in some way, and we feel like we need a more streamlined way for teachers to access, or all staff to access, information. So what are our weaknesses? And then if we do create the website, O stands for opportunities. What are the opportunities for change in our school? What are opportunities for growth in terms of disseminating information and teacher access? And lastly, on the negative side, for T, what are some potential threats that we see if we do introduce this website? Okay, so we're going to start with S in our SWOT acronym. Our current strengths in disseminating staff information at Vogelway Elementary School. So currently, Vogelway Elementary School has a wonderful office staff and administration who help to administer information to staff. And our current weaknesses: due to the military lifestyle, there is a high turnover rate of the staff and office staff who often PCS mid-year. This causes confusion and frustration amongst all employed at the school and cause gaps in information. And if training new office staff, it can become very difficult if an office staff member has to leave suddenly, as they hold the key and tools to information that isn't written down, protocols that aren't written down. Okay, opportunities for change. Opportunities. The VES Teaching Induction website will be used as a model, hopefully, so that eventually other schools all over Dodeo worldwide will adopt this idea to improve staff communication and informational resources. So it'd be great to be able to provide professional development, even presentation as to how we made this induction website, which is why I feel like all of these presentations are really valuable and important to show evidence as to why we feel we need this. Okay, and lastly, T is threats, potential threats. Luckily, at this time, I don't see any potential threats for creating the website. However, if there's anything that anybody thinks of in this presentation that they feel as though might be a threat, please let me know. Or if we see any threats along the way, we can update that as well. And then lastly, after conducting the SWOT analysis, it is obvious that a teacher induction website will prove to be a valuable tool for all staff at Vogelway Elementary School. While there are some challenges ahead, this database will provide growth for VES, disseminating timely and accurate information to all of our staff members. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a great day.